In Newbird, you can assign various abilities to roles and individual system users. From the Configurations cog here, navigate to System, then Security, and then you see Roles and Abilities here. Today, we're looking at abilities, so click here and I'll cover roles in a different tutorial. Here you can see every ability available in Newbird. Scroll through the pages like this and change the number of rows you see like this. Search for ability here using this search bar and search using tags here too if you know them. These are the tags that are added to each ability to help make searching easy. Sort columns by name, users and roles using these arrows. We'll click on an ability. I'll just use this first one for today's training purposes, which is Add Comments. There are two tabs here. We'll look at roles first. These roles can be given the ability to add comments. We can see looking here that these roles are being given this ability because of these green ticks. Unclicking the tick removes that permission. If you want to forbid any of these roles from having the ability to add comments, you can forbid access by clicking here. Let's look at users. These are all our users. We can see that the Add Comments ability has these users attached currently. Again, use these ticks and forbid buttons here to either assign the ability to a user or forbid it.